Alright, well, I got a bunch of parts for the S10. As you can see, there's a pile of them. Got a big box here from the Big Brown Santa Claus. We're going to open up and show them what we got. This is a pressure washer nozzle to wash the miles off of the motors. Let's get something interesting. So these are some pressure transducers so that when I do go a little full tilt boogie with it, I can see the dome pressure instead of just relying on what the mat pressure is. There's a bunch of them, eBay specials. If I had a Holley endorsement, they would, that would sure come in handy. I think I know what this is here. About who it came from. Oh yeah. Got some good valve springs. Make that motor a little more reliable up top. Got the keepers and the oil locks, double valve springs. So when I put the motor back together, the little coolant seals were torn, so I bought a set of those straight off of Amazon, right to the front door. It's head studs, yeah! We can crank this thing to 9 to 11.
Human error. Evolution. This is the future.
Packed full of goodies. Let's see what's in here. We got a top dead center finder. We got a Mac valve that's open so that I can replace the one that's on there. The little wires broke off the actuator itself. We got a LS2 timing chain and a 4X cam sprocket with 3 bolt holes, straight from GM. All the good stuff. Now here's where, so the seat that came in the truck was a skinny boy seat. I'm not a skinny boy, so I bought a fat boy seat. Need mounts for it. Here's the mounts. Here, be able to put that seat in there and be right. So this looks like a set of head gaskets. Brand new 5.3 GM head gaskets. We can use them over and over. Got a DOD delete valley cover with the hardware. Oh, it looks like it came with some Jecker O-rings. Oh, that's the O-rings for the bottom of it. Cool. We ain't trying to save no fuel. Got a gasket set for LS motor, timing chain cover, front seal, water pump, some other stuff that will go in the drawer and never get used.
Those are for the oil pump.
Huh?
Those are for the oil pump pickup tube.
Okay. We might use those then. So I bought 2 timing sets, one because I wasn't sure exactly what I needed, and I ended up needing something completely different. This is a double roller timing chain. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to put the other one that I showed you the other parts on. Hey, it happens. This guy in here. All right, so. Lifters and guides for the DOD delete. They'll go with that valley cover. all new. We got all 16 instead of buying 4 or 8, 4 sets. All right, here's the Big Daddy. So, bought a Brian Tooley Stage 2 twin turbo cam for when it gets turned up to 11. This thing here should put it on party mode and let her go. That should send this thing right into outer space. Should like them GT45 turbos out pretty well. Cam card, stickers, got piles of stickers, love stickers, toolbox love stickers. So, you can see the Christmas presents that came for the Hoonigan truck, and now we gotta get busy and put them all on there. Go have fun.